Hello friends, today in this video let me show you how to use this CHAR function in SQL Server. So basically we will see its syntax and the usage with multiple examples. We will see multiple demos over here and I will show you the complete details as part of this video tutorial. Now before going to the demo, I will just give you a basic idea on this. The character function in SQL Server can help you in various situations, such as when dealing with string concatenation, character manipulation, or generating sequence of characters based on the ASCII codes. Okay. Now the character function, what it exactly does is it it takes as a integer value as input, and based on that integer value it returns you a character such as a b c etc, right? So basically it will take the integer value as a parameter, and I mean, that integer value is nothing but a ASCII character, which is from 0 to 255. Okay. Now you provide the value, based on that, it will give you a return output like ABC, etc., or null value, or a space, anything. Okay. Now what you'll do, let me go to the SQL Server Management Studio, where I will show you all these queries over there, right? Let me go there. Now you can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio, and I have multiple database which I have created already. So out of that I have a database called test, where we are going to execute all these queries. Okay, now let me just paste this syntax. You can able to see this is the syntax, guys. This is character function. Within that we are providing a integer expression which is from 0 to 255, right? 0 to 255, any value you can put it. So for that, if I will say select character CHAR, and within that say I will say 67. Okay, now let me just zoom it a little bit. Select character 67. Well, execute this, you can able to see this is a capital C letter it is returning, right? Same way, if I'll make it 68, I will execute this, it is uh, giving me as D, right? Capital D, right? So same way, if I'll make it 255 and I will execute this, you can able to see it is providing me Y, right? And if I will make it 256, what it will do? So ideally the range is from 0 to 255. If I'll execute it, this one, you can able to see this in all. So basically, you have to, let me clearly tell you that you have to put a character within 0 to 255. If you'll put more than that, it will simply return you as a null value. If I'll make it a 257 also, it is going to return me a null value, right? So this is the range, guys. The ASCII character or the integer expression should be 0 to 255. Okay. Now let us see how we can use the control character in a table, or how we can manipulate with control character with the table output using this character function, right? So probably I'll give you an example so that you can understand that. So if I'll go here in the select select star from student detail new. So I have a table called student detail new. Okay, if I will execute this query, you can able to see this is a table. Okay, which contains student ID and first name, last name, and age. Okay, you can able to see I have a 7 records here. Okay, now what is the requirement here is we will we want to uh, we want to use this first name, and we want to retrieve the first name and last name from this table. Okay, now for that what you can do, if I will say select first name plus last name as full name from student detail, right? Let me just zoom out a little bit. So if I'll execute this query, you can able to see the full name is there is no space, right? So what we are trying to do is we are appending the first name, last name, but there is no space within that, which doesn't look good. And here is the character function comes into picture. So what you can do here now, I will copy this. So our requirement is now that you give me output which will be like student first name and then one space, then followed by the last name. That should be the output. So now it is there is no space actually. So which doesn't look good, right? So this is not our requirement. Our requirement should be our requirement is like it's there should be a space within that within first name and last name. So for that, here is the character function comes into picture. So for that, what we can do here, we can append one more character function here. I will say char is the character function, and then we will provide 32, which is nothing but the control uh, character, that is a space. Okay, if I will execute this, you can able to see now first name and then last name, right? And within that there is a space. So basically character 32 is the space character. It will give you a space, right? So this way you can use character function inside the table result while manipulating with the output of a particular table or something, right? So this way you can use the character function. So this is all about the character function in. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to use this char function or character function in SQL Server, and these are the methods you can utilize for that, and you can utilize these queries as well. So I have also written an article on this topic. If you want to copy these queries and all, I will put that article link in the video description. You can go to that article and copy these queries and utilize it. Thanks a lot again for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips, different helpful Azure tips, and helpful Azure PowerShell commands, and many more. Thanks a lot again, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.